Introduction to Encrypted Group Chats in Wire.
Wire is a secure messaging app known for its strong encryption and privacy features. Setting up encrypted group chats lets you communicate safely with multiple people at once. In this guide, you'll learn how to create and manage encrypted group conversations, making sure your messages stay private and only accessible to invited participants.
Setting up your Wire account.
First, download and install Wire on your preferred device, whether it's a computer or smartphone. Open the app and create a new account with your email or phone number. Make sure to set a strong password. Wire automatically enables end-to-end encryption for all messages, so your chats will be protected from the start.
Creating an encrypted group chat.
To start a secure group chat, tap the New Conversation button and choose New Group. Enter a group name and add participants by selecting their Wire contacts. Once created, all messages within this group are automatically encrypted end-to-end, meaning only group members can read the content.
Adding and managing group members securely.
Only group administrators can add or remove members in a Wire group chat. To add someone, open the group settings and select Add Participants. Removing members is similar. Select their name and choose Remove from Group. Whenever someone joins or leaves, Wire maintains encryption, so only current members can access new messages.
Best practices for secure group communication.
To keep your group chats secure, make sure all members use the official Wire app and avoid sharing sensitive messages outside the group. Regularly review group membership and remove any unrecognized participants. Remind members not to share their login credentials and keep the app updated for the latest security enhancements.
Troubleshooting and Support.
If you encounter any issues enabling or maintaining encrypted group chats, check Wire's Help section or contact their support team. Common problems, like difficulty adding members or syncing messages, can often be resolved by updating the app or checking your internet connection. For ongoing privacy, always verify contacts before adding them to your group.